it surprised me. Uh, to have so many different models and to make each one of them look so good, make each one of them look so unusual, so different from each other. It just shows how versatile he can be with his camera. They say that, or I say that, beauty lies in the hands of the lens holder. He's made each and every picture here look so beautiful. It's amazing. I mean, I'm really surprised with how many pictures and how many variations, and each one of them speaks about a different magic. It's amazing. It's quite amazing.
Do you know or
Sir, आप बहुत पास हैं sir.
do you know or would you be surprised if I tell you that earlier Subi said that you were the most favorite subject of his? You were his favorite subject. Would you be surprised if that?
Yeah, did he say that?
He said that.
I like Subi a little more now. Oh well, oh that's great. That's a compliment, because if you see all the models here, they are absolutely fab. But whenever I work with Subi, it's never been like working. It's just about having more fun, And I come back home with these fabulous pictures, so he makes me look good, which is why I'm here. I love him. I love them. I'm really honestly surprised, because there are so many pictures here with so many models, and each one of them looks different. Each one of them talks of a different magic. It's quite unbelievable about how versatile he can get. Subi's, I think he's outdone himself. Super pictures.
When you are with Subi, like whenever he's taking photos, how's the whole experience? Like how's the whole?
It's never been about work. It's always been more fun. It's about just having fun, and I think that's how he gets the best out of his artists. It's more about fun than work. You never get tired. It's
What do
great
you
fun.
have to say about photography in general? What are your views of that?
Well, photography is very different to what an actor does in front of the camera, because it's really sort of getting an entire emotion to come through in one frame, where you don't have much to do, you don't have much to say. It's all about that one moment in your life, which has to translate and project all the emotion that you want in that one single shot. In many ways, it sounds very difficult, but it's so much more fun, because you get to do so many things. And Subi has this unusual, he's got a magnificent eye for making people look their best in such an unusual environment. See, all these pictures here have got a different emotion, and none of them are doing something that you must have seen somewhere. So everyone is like sort of, they're all in their alter egos. He gets to the person, and he, I think, extracts, focuses on the best assets, and knows exactly which model will give him what. If it's a close-up or a body shot, he knows who's suited best for what. I think that's one of his fortes.
Any particular picture that you really found?
Each one of them has surprised me. Really, each one of them. I think my best picture is going to be the one that I will unveil. Yeah, this is even better than last year. Place the where you place the girl there?
Yeah.
The girl was there in the shoot.
She's just going chin down.
Shut up.
It's a low angle shot.
Shut up.
There's no digital manipulation.
Shut up. No way.
No, seriously.
No.
Cross my heart. Cross. God stands witness to this.
Man, she's very flexible.
No, it's just a low angle. You do a low angle, your head will not show.
Not like that, man.
Seriously, dude.
Insane. It's pretty strange. Very nice. Let's not be selective. It's like an alter ego. Sorry. Yes.
Thank you.
Thanks, buddy. What is this? It's like business lights.
And like low shutter speed.
We expose according
There are fan. Damn. Super. Look at that one.
That's my, huh?
Super bad. How do you do that?
Wide
How do you do
angle.
that?
Wide angle.
Just one picture.
Yeah.
Got it exactly right, na? Superb. Absolutely perfect. I saw the sequence of these. See the series of these?
Huh?
I saw the series of these.
Oh, you saw that?
Yeah, superb. Like this more than last show.
This is much more cleaner.
Who's that? Who's that?
Disha.
So cutty.
But she's in like great shape. Yes.
It's a decent picture. Of course. That's right.
Lencia.
That's Isha, I guess.
That's Isha, yeah. Isha.